Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, we will see what is .env file and how to use it with a Node.js project. So here we have already created simple hello world using Express. So let us just first see what is .env file and how to install it. So let us go in and just type npm .env. First of all, let us just copy this and install it. I will go in git bash and paste it and install it. By the time it get installed, okay, it already got installed. I will create a .env file over here. Dot .en .env. So it has to be present exactly where the package.json file is that and not inside any other folder. Okay, so .env file basically help us to keep and manage our environment variables. What is environment variables? Which are basically key value pairs which are kept outside our project and used during our runtime. Okay, so now let us create one folder called as config folder because we are configuring port and servers, and I will create one file called as server config.js. So since in index.js you can see this port is only used by us, right? Different person can give it different way. So I will .env file basically use to keep all the secret files like password. When we connect to the database, a string is provided that is secret, right? That we can keep it over there. API key can be we can keep, like say for example I will show you here. They have given some examples. Okay, so in this case you can see uh, like private keys are stored multiple. If you need multi-line variables, for example private keys, those are now supported. Okay, um, private key, secret hash, such whatever that is private and you don't want it to show it to the people, like you will push the code to the GitHub repository, right? And different people can have access to your code base. So at that time you don't want your secret values uh, to be seen by other people. So we will put that everything in .env file. So in this case, I will show you with example of the port. Okay, I will go in .env file and I will say port. I can just copy it instead. I will just copy this and I will put this in a .env file. Or I will give you one more example. Like I'm saying secret underscore key. I will just give a random string just to show you all. Okay, this is my secret value. I'm just giving it randomly. Okay, and now go to the server config file and then just say import dot env from dot env, and we have to configure this. So I will say dot env dot config. Okay, so this will help us to load all our environment variables, and I will say export const port is equal to 1000, and also we have given our secret key, right? So export const. I will just copy that because these spellings are very important. So just copy this and I will put it to server config file. Okay, I am not supposed to do this. It is equal to, I have to write like process dot env dot port. Okay, this is basically the syntax. I will say process dot env dot name is secret key. So I want I want this to be present over here, so I will just import it. Enter import secret key and port. Okay, so port is already we are using here, so I will just console log the secret key. We'll copy this directly here. Let us run our file. Okay, so enter. There is some problem in importing. Here you can see. Okay, wait. I haven't given .js. Okay, so let us just run our file again. So see, we got our port and our secret value. So this is how you integrate your .env. .env basically helpful to keep our all secret keys intact so that nobody can have access to it while we put our node project to GitHub. This is all for today, guys, and I hope you like the video. Please subscribe to the channel and be motivated and keep coding. Thank you for watching the video.